mo ń sọ nǹkan kan fún yín lórí social media. Mo ní Sherry Dorcas control Facebook. Either you take it, you like it, you don't like it, you accept, you don't want to accept. That is a fact. Ṣé rántí ìgbà tí mọ̀mọ́ ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn? We are in the concluding part of ẹ̀sìn tí ìyá yín ṣe ni o. Mo rí update kan lónìí. Mo rí nǹkan kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìgbà tí mọ̀mọ́ ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn yẹn. Dorcas said something that she's coming to come and analyze the interview. Gbogbo àbá ṣe lọ ganu síbẹ̀ báyìí bíi kẹ́tù nìyẹn. Ṣé mọ̀ pé kò sọ nǹkan kan? Ṣé mọ̀ pé kò sọ nǹkan kan? Ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tá à ń expect, ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tó ṣe. Mo wá rí comment kan lẹ́nu, update kan lẹ́nu, I think it's from Alayomi Oredola, saying that everybody is waiting for Dorcas to do a show so that they can crop it and they can use it as kini. Ṣé o ti yé yín? I can wonder pé kí ló dé tí social media dry. It's because ìyálàyà àwọn tó ń fún wọn ní content. Dorcas is like VDM on Facebook. Kò fún wọn ní content, so they don't know what to do. Ìyálàyà àwọn tó ń fún wọn ní content refuse to give them content. So everybody have refresh. Èmi gan ti refresh page tí ẹ mẹ́sì pa. Now everybody is stuck. This is what I keep telling you people. She is very intelligent. When it comes to leadership, age is just a number. Ọmọ kan dàgbà ni kò lọ́pọlọ. She doesn't have content. She doesn't know what to do. She doesn't even know how to talk. She doesn't even know when she's being manipulated. Rí àwọn game tí Dorcas ń gbá yẹn ni. In case they're bad. Why did she not speak about the interview? She has the video, obviously. She has supposed, oh, yẹ kó máa ní jẹ, kó máa mú ní pẹ̀lẹ́, but she did not even say anything. And everybody assumed that she's going to talk. If you want Dorcas to talk, that's when she's not going to talk. But tó bá jẹ́ pé mọ̀mọ́, you don't need to do too much. Mọ̀mọ́ ò ní IQ mọ̀mọ́ low gan. IQ ìyá yín bóyá -4 ni. Mi ò rò pé 3 numbers. Bóyá méjì péré ni. Ó dẹ̀ máa jẹ́ 0-1. Every game tí Dorcas ń gbá lórí social media, I double dare mọ̀mọ́ yín kó gbárù game yẹn. She knows that everybody is waiting for her own reply and they are going to crop her and she refused to talk. Nǹkan tó ń pè ní leadership ni. Kì í ṣe pé kéèyàn máa ṣe láúláú, kó máa kó ìwo kiri, kó máa kó ìkarahun kiri. There are some things, if it didn't day, it didn't day. If it didn't day, it didn't day. Ẹ jẹ́ ká update fún yín. Látàrí ara àwọn mọ̀mọ́ wọn ni mo sọ concluding party ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbésí ayé mọ̀mọ́ wọn. Wọ́n ní Esa, Harmony, wípé Dorcas is still advertising your business, sir. After this man has already said that Egboju, I don't understand. Ṣé kí Harmony mú ẹgbàá láti Nàìjíríà kó lọ UK kó máa kó Dorcas lẹ́gbàá pé kí ló dé tó ń polówó mi? After the man already said Egboju, you people still say at Harmony. Why is this advert? I keep asking myself, kí ló dé tó mú láyà yín? Because this is literally social media. Anybody can share Harmony Garden. Harmony Garden is on social media. Should you understand this? Sharing from his page to their page costs less than 2 seconds. Why is this bothering you people? Okay, if you know that it is of Dorcas Olóhùn láti má máa share Harmony, mọ̀mọ́, she move on. Tó bá sọ pé òun gbọ́, òun fẹ́ máa share Harmony. Kì í ṣe pé ó ń gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín, kì í ṣe pé ó need yín for anything. This is what she decided to do. Is her choice, is her page, is her kò sí nǹkan kan. Why can't you move on from that into another topic? If you actually have a reason to fight Dorcas or you just want to fight Dorcas, And even if Dorcas drop her money, Mama, what next? Are you going to advertise her money? That is it. Tí Dorcas bá drop ìbílẹ̀ lẹ́nu, ṣé mọ̀mọ́ fẹ́ advert? Mọ̀mọ́ ò gbowó mọ́ náà, kò lè advertise ìbílẹ̀. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ yẹ kéèyàn tó wọ́n advertise ẹ̀ kó máa advertise ẹ̀ lọ. Kí ló ń fẹkún láàrin ẹ̀yin àtàwọn ọmọ yín náà? Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ yẹ kéèyàn tó ń ṣe kó máa ṣe lọ. Harmony is not complaining. Èèyàn mélòó, okay, mọ̀mọ́. Màá máa bú yín, màá máa gbé Harmony. If Dorcas drop Harmony, I'm going to pick Harmony up. And then màá máa bú yín. You expose your weak points to people. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe máa ń sọ pé low IQ lẹ́nu. Tó bá ń báyàn jà, ò ní jẹ́ kẹ́ni yẹn mọ weak point ẹ̀. Nǹkan tó máa dùn ẹ́ ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìbílẹ̀ yẹn kò tiẹ̀ yẹ kó sọ bí kó dùn ẹ́. By now, Dorcas will have just moved on, but immediately tó ti mọ̀ pé but what is the big deal? Ẹ wá lọ sọkún bá Harmony wípé Dorcas is still advertising his business. Ṣé dandan ni? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni dandan ni. Dandan ni. Because kí ló dé tó ṣé dandan ni náà kẹ́yìn náà lọ kẹ́ máa force Harmony pé kó disclaim Dorcas. Na by force. Emma, this is from Gbasgbos. I think this is from 2 days ago. Only Asheni Sherai, Iya Jarabuka. Now you lose your ambassador. Now you lose your ambassadorship. Ṣé mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Mọ̀mọ́ àti Harmony kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó mọ̀. Wọ́n ti gbà tí Mọ̀mọ́ sọ pé torí Dorcas òun máa drop Harmony. Bam. This should have just been behind closed doors. But torí bó ti mọ̀ pé Harmony sọ pé òun ò sanwó mọ́, ó wá wo ọ̀nà tóun máa gbé gbà so that àwọn èèyàn ní sọ pé Harmony ò fún lówó mọ́. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe tán pé torí Dorcas ló wá ṣe. Mọ̀mọ́, Sherry, it's better to just tell the truth sometimes. Like, oh, I am no more advertising for Harmony. You cannot pay my fee. Ló bá tán. Simple. Sherry, gbogbo pass through corner tẹ́ máa ń ṣe. At the end of the day, your secret will be exposed. Ẹ dẹ̀ máa ṣẹ̀ sínú. We are too smart for all those games. Ẹ ti lose the title ambassador yín. Kò sẹ́nibody tó fẹ́ affiliate mọ́ yín mọ́ ń sìn mọ́. And ìbílẹ̀ still refuse to do disclaimer for Dorcas. Ó sọ fún yín ó ní kẹ́ gbójú kẹ́ fi ilẹ̀. You want people to always beg you. You want people to succumb. Mama, you can understand ilé ayé pé there are some battles you will win and there are some battles you will lose. You want Harmony to be rubbing his face on the floor. Do you know who Harmony is? Ẹ lè jọ àwọn pípọ̀ yìí lọ lọ́jọ́ orí. Ẹ lówó tó wọn náà. Advantage wo gan ló jẹ́? Kí ni advantage tó fẹ́ ṣe sínú ayé Harmony that you want to be ridiculing Harmony online and you want him to accept that? O ridicule Alábìkẹ́ kékeré yẹn lásán gan. Ó ń kó fún ẹ. Tábà sọ pé o fẹ́ ridicule Harmony online. Problem tó ní nìyẹn. You don't think before you act. You just act. Then you now be thinking later. That is where your problem is. And mo dẹ̀ bèrè kíní kan náà. Lóòótọ́, mo ní kí ló dé tí Harmony ò bẹ Mọ̀mọ́. The man refused to beg. The man even categorically said, má polówó mi mọ́, wọ́n ló ti ń bú mi. He did not beg the woman. Unlike before. That before you know, gbogbo wọn ti máa wá rírì. Ẹ rántí ìgbà tí PS home and property ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé ẹ rántí? He was begging. At the same time, he was explaining himself. Mọ̀mọ́ kàn kọ́ tiẹ̀ nù. But Harmony already see, Mama, things have changed. It's because you did not believe that things will change. That is why they fi bára yín position tẹ́tí bára yín. You never thought that things will change. You thought that you are going to rule forever. Kò sẹ́nibody tó máa rule forever lórí social media. Kò sí anybody tó máa rule forever. ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́ sọ I made ìbílẹ̀. I'm the first person to bring ìbílẹ̀ to social media. And you said tẹ́ bá báyé ẹ̀jẹ̀ náà kò sí èèwọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Ṣé rí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lásán ó ti contradict yín àṣàbíamọ. Ṣé ló dàbí ẹni pé kẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀yin lẹ bí Tina, ẹ̀yin lẹ bí Anna, ẹ̀yin lẹ bí Wálé, ẹ̀yin lẹ bí gbogbo wọn. Kẹ́ wá sọ pé since ẹ̀yin lẹ bí àwọn ọmọ yín, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá báyé wọn jẹ́ náà kò sí èèwọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Ṣé lè sọ orú yẹn sáwọn ọmọ tẹ́ bí? Èèyàn kan ló bí ìbílẹ̀, èèyàn kan níyàwó ẹ̀, èèyàn kan níyà àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Àwọn lọ́mọ láyé náà. So gbogbo orí wọn máa wò yín ràn torí pé kò sanwó advert fún yín àbí torí pé ẹ̀ ń bá dọ̀ka sí jà kẹ́ wá bá yí ọmọkùnrin yẹn jẹ́. Kò possible. Tẹ́ bá gbé wá sórí social media, ṣé ọ̀fẹ́ lẹ gbé wá sórí social media àbò sanwó fún yín? Ẹ máa là kò sí anybody tó gbé anybody wá sórí social media. You are being paid to advertise somebody. So you do not do anything. You ṣe pé ẹ ṣe lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ àbí ẹ gbé wá sórí social media lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. You did not make anybody. You were being paid for a service that you render. Táwọn ọmọ yín bá ṣe rere ní ayé, kò yẹ kẹ́ máa gba advert, kò yẹ kẹ́ jókòó sí orí monetization, kẹ́ máa kanra mọ́ monetization. Kò yẹ kẹ́ máa rò pé kẹ́ bá tèèyàn jẹ́ torí pé ẹ fẹ́ san mortgage. Ìbílẹ̀ is your master. Èèyàn tó bá ti fún yín lówó oúnjẹ rí, ọ̀gá yín ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Èèyàn tó bá sọ pé kẹ́ gbà tébi ò ti pa yín rí, ṣé ẹ rí pé ìgbà tí ìbílẹ̀ kúrò nínú life yín tí ò fún yín lówó, ẹ feel ẹbí pé fẹ́ kú. 50 million tó ń dà lẹ̀ yẹn. Kò yé yín, ẹ lè understand pé kò easy fún òun náà. Èló gan ló ń gan make as CEO. Èló ni. Ìbílẹ̀ is your boss. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ torí pé kí ni ó ti fún yín lówó tẹ́ ẹ ti fi jẹun rí. Wọ́n wá sọ kíní kan fún yín. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ bá yé ìbílẹ̀ jẹ́, first thing first, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dá gbogbo owó tó san fún yín, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ dá padà. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ lọ dá gbogbo owó tó san fún yín, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́kọ́ dá padà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká update from Aṣẹ́wó blog. This will be the last thing I'm going to read. Only there is no learned people in Ewure bandits that can tutor and correct Esa Obayeje. That a lawyer is not an exclusively to one girl. Exactly. Tábà tí sọ pé ká lọ sí orí lawyer tí mọ̀mọ́ fẹ́ para ẹ̀ elétò. Lawyer can work for anybody. Lawyer is like water. Òun lọ́tà. Omi òun lọ́tà. Lawyer ò lè lọ́tà náà. Lawyer can work for anybody. Ẹni ẹ wọ́n sọ di Facebook. Ṣé ọ̀fẹ́ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni? Ṣe bí iṣẹ́ tó wálé ayé wá ṣe nìyẹn, nǹkan tó fi lọ school kó lọ ṣe nìyẹn. He has to handle cases. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n lo lawyer yìí against him. There was a case and they needed a lawyer and they saw he's available. Tó bá sọ pé òun wà available, fine. They will look for another lawyer. Is it that I take it or somebody else take it? Gbogbo ẹkún tẹ̀ ń sun yẹn kò warrant anything. You are just a cry baby. A little can work for anybody. Iṣẹ́ oúnjẹ ẹ̀ ló ń ṣe. He will feed himself, feed his family. He has his own life. Iṣẹ́ tí lawyer gbà nìyẹn. Ẹ̀yin ṣe pé torí pé ẹ̀yin ti mọ lawyer ǹsìn, nobody can use the lawyer again. Mọ̀mọ́, please go to school. Ẹ lọ sí school now. Ẹ jẹ́ kó explain fún yín. Ìgbà tẹ́ sọ pé ẹ̀yin lẹ gbé ìbílẹ̀ wá, nobody is supposed to advertise him. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tún gbé lawyer wá, nobody is supposed to call him to work. As how now? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ gbé lawyer wá, ṣá tún mọ another day tẹ́ tún máa ní case tẹ́ fẹ́ fún lawyer yẹn. Ṣé ẹ̀yin nìkan ni ẹ rò pé lawyer máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún ni? Ẹ̀yin tó yẹ pé once in a while case. In fact, gbogbo wọn tẹ́ ń jà fún ìmọ̀ is one of the social media. Ọjọ́ wo náà tún ti gbéyàn lọ sí court gan ní orí social media? Ọjọ́ wo náà ti gbéyàn lọ court téyàn ní court case? Ẹ fẹ́ para yín lórí lawyer. Lawyer is not exclusively to one client. How can a lawyer that spent years in school open his office now because he has Esa Oponu as a client will not accept other job brought to his chamber? I wonder. Momo, are you okay? Teba sọ pé okay, you want this lawyer to be yours. Ó yẹ kẹ́ fi sórí payroll. You want to turn him into your private lawyer. Should you understand? You are paying for like nothing less than 10 clients per month. But yín tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan tẹ́ bá ní case lẹ máa pè. The last time got tẹ́ pé ṣe fún ní nǹkan kan ni. Ẹ fún ní nǹkan kan náà. Lọ́yà àwọn ẹnu ara ẹ̀ ló fi sọ pé ẹ fún ní nǹkan kan kẹ́ gbé evidence jáde tẹ́lẹ̀ ń parọ́ pẹ́ fún 5 minutes. There is no big deal here. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́kàn rò pé nǹkan kan wọ́n ń gbé nǹkan gbẹ̀yìn, kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń gbé gbẹ̀yìn. Iṣẹ́ tó yẹ kí lọ́yà ṣe ló ṣe. If he did not collect that kini, he's going to, another person is going to collect it. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ fún lówó tẹ́ ẹ̀ fún ní nǹkan kan tí ò sí lórí payroll tẹ́ ẹ̀ sanwó fún as a lawyer bó ṣe wà yẹn tó bá yẹ pé private lawyer yín ni ó yẹ kẹ́ máa san nothing less than between $20,000 to $30,000 per month for him. Then ẹ lè ní right láti má jẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú anybody. Fálànà gan ṣiṣẹ́ káàkiri kò síṣẹ́ tí Fálànà kì í gbà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni náà kò sí iṣẹ́ tí Fálànà kì í gbà. Ìyẹn odidi SAN. Ẹ̀yin wá jókòó. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí ìrówó jẹun tó sì ń dáwó tó sì ń ṣe náírà sí euro fún yín kẹ́ ẹ lè fi jẹun. Ẹ̀yin lè wá sọ pé lọ́ọ̀yà kan tó wà Nàìjíríà kó má gba any case torí pé ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún yín rí. Yíyan tún máa ń privatize lawyer ni. You need a lawyer, you get a lawyer, you do your work, you leave the place. Tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀ dáadáa, the next time you need a lawyer, you use him. Ẹ máa gbọ́. And now because he has Esa Oponu as a client, will not accept other job to his chamber. Is a successful lawyer supposed to have only one client? Oh yeah, me, she celebrity, she Jay-Z àbí Beyonce ni mo money. Àwọn yẹn lawyer àwọn Jay-Z àti Beyonce yẹn kò lè gbà rárá máa gba $50,000 per month. Wọ́n ní kéèsì wọn ní kéèsì o. Per month kò gbà rárá. Ó máa gba $50,000 just for being their lawyer. In case of anybody pursue one, in case of there is any lawsuit or anything, in case of one song kankan aboni kankan tó ló máa lọ court tó máa bọ̀. But you are not putting this lawyer on a payroll and you expect him to be more. There is life outside social media space. Ibi tí problem yín wà ní. Ibi tó gun ti gbà wọlé sí yín lára ni. You don't understand there is life outside social media space. One is a successful lawyer supposed to have only one client. Nítorí pé abániláyé ọ̀jẹ̀, abániláyé jẹ́ ni ẹ̀yin fracas dimbat. Sorry. Nobody should have any business with you guys. A lawyer's office is a public place. Ó dàbí ẹni pé kò sọ pé o lọ sí court wípé case ẹnìkan nìkan ṣe ní court yẹn kó má ṣe anybody's case. Ìwọ nìkan ni ká dájọ́ dá lóhùn kó má dájọ́ fún anybody mọ́. A lawyer's office is a public space that needs to earn to pay his bills. They haste numerous clients and get clients based on recommendation and referral. If Harmony refer lawyer elétò tó ẹ support, mọ̀mọ́ kọ́ ló ní lawyer tí mọ̀mọ́ fẹ́ parẹ́ wọ́n fún mọ̀mọ́ náà ni. Because Esa Oponu do not have personal lawyer. So because of that, the lawyer should not accept another client that came through another channel or referral to his chamber. I wonder. Only any Adagbamaṣe Báwí is a anyways, Adagbamaṣe Báwí is a psycho. Alayebade that will be disgraced. If Esa Obayeje have good children, they will never support her Oribuku. But it's Elenu Shipoti, Ade Ibanuje, Ade Egun, another Nikompu, Ewure bandits. That has no voice. That surround the Yajarabuka. They are powerless too and cannot put her on leash. By their shaking, by their group, you shall know them. What is the big deal? Lawyer Eleto, Ibile lo fún Momo. Momo did not know anybody in Nigeria. Ìgbà tí Ibile fún Momo, kí Momo lò fún Dorcas. Máa yan orí nǹkan kan ṣe lọ́dọ̀ Dorcas torí àwọn Dorcas wọ́n ní SAN, wọ́n ní lawyer, wọ́n ti ní gbogbo tí wọ́n pé. There was another issue on social media, turning the lawyer, I think for Alabike. Dorcas being Dorcas, see that instead of ká tún mówó lé lọ síta, since there is already a lawyer in between, okay, lawyer tó mú wá ń dọ̀ sí, ó yá kéèsì kan wà, ó yẹ gbà ẹ lọ bá wa ṣe pẹ̀lú owó nínú ni òkè ṣọ̀fẹ́. And Mama is angry that the man is making money to feed himself and his family. Just imagine. Kéèyàn lọ sí law school, kó tún ṣe call to bar, ṣó easy ni kó wá sọ pé ìwọ nìkan kú ló máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún láì fi sórí payroll. Ìgbà tó pé gan òfun ní sísì ṣèbí máa yẹn gan sọ, ó wá réyàn míì tó gbéṣẹ́ fún based on recommendation pé okay mo níṣẹ́ kan fún yín o dẹ̀ tún bínú. I don't understand. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ ewúrẹ́ yẹn ẹ máa bá ìyá yín sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Well, bíbá ìlà wà. This is the conclusion part of gbogbo rádaràdá tí ìyá yín ṣe lórí social media mu àṣà màmá wò. Èmi ti sọ pé òkè ẹ̀sìn eléyìí ó tún ti lọ bẹ́yẹn. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ tún ti ṣẹ̀sìn court. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ tún lọ sanwó damages fún Baba Gaddafi. Ẹ̀yin lẹ jẹ̀yà, ẹ̀yin lẹ tún sọ damages. Ìkara ó ti fẹ́ẹ̀lì yín, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ṣáà fẹ́ẹ̀lì yín. Ẹ fara yín balẹ̀. Ṣé anytime tẹ wà yín sí mọ̀mọ́, ó yẹ kẹ́ jókòó, kẹ́ refresh brain. Kẹ́ refresh, kẹ́ wo gbogbo bí tẹ́ ti ṣe mistake. But no, ẹ máa gbọ̀n síta, ẹ nílò ọpọlọ kẹ́ tó gbọ̀n jáde. Kẹ́ wo bí tí mistake ti wáyé, kẹ́ wo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè rectify ẹ̀. But no, ẹ ṣì ń bọ̀ wá tẹ́ o. Kí wí ọ̀sẹ̀ tó parí ń sìn, ìyá yín ṣì ń bọ̀ wá tẹ́.